Okay, so Scott, tell us one super tip on getting started in real estate investing.
Find somebody awesome and hang out with them. That would be the best thing I would do. Find somebody that's awesome, that's doing a lot of stuff, and just find ways to become their friend and hang out with them and help them. Do whatever you have to just to help them. Like, try not to make money. Just try to help somebody else that's really cool, find cool stuff and learn from them how to do it, and wait until you're like, oh, wow, this seems like I'm just shooting, what's the expression? Shooting something in a barrel, fish in a barrel? Who the heck shoots fish in a barrel, by the way? Like, who's walked around with a gun and shot a bunch of fish?
Oh, that is so horrifying, that imagery. Let's not talk about that.
I was just thinking about it, and I was like, what's the expression here, and why is that even an expression? But anyway, go find something that's really cool and go hang out with them that's actually doing stuff, really doing deals, and just help them.